or welcome back to my channel. This is going to be for the sign of Leo for 1 month when you're catching this reading. Let's see what is up for the sign of Leo this month. So I will be pulling cards for your work situation, relationship, money, health, overall energy and the guidance. So let us see what is happening for the sign of Leo this month whenever you're catching this reading. Queen of Swords with the Six of Cups. This is emotional energy. At the same time, you can't do a lot about this energy. I'll just keep these two cards as significators because they just wanted to show up. Virgo, Libra, Scorpio energy, heart level energy, the same time crown chakra energy. So there is some clarity of heart that you might be looking for. Let's see at work situation what's going on. This is Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles is at work means work requires your आपका बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान चाहिए वर्क में. मे बी इट रिक्वायर्स मोर अटेंशन देन यू कैन गिव. समथिंग अबाउट वर्क फील्स वेरी like you need more attention than regular. You need more attention, or somebody is looking at you. Maybe somebody is looking at you from the work situation जहाँ पे आप कुछ बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो लियो. But right now it's time for grounding. It's time for earthing. It's time for keep giving. Whatever you're giving in the work situation, you should be giving. Even if your heart is sometimes like conflicted, you may feel कि आपको जितना मिलना चाहिए वो आपको नहीं मिला. But that clarity will come. For now, you should. Even if there is some unpaid debts, or if you feel that you are in some kind of like one-sided charity at work situation, you're not getting back what you would require. Maybe that is why your heart is conflicted. And so कहीं ना आपको एक बड़ा पिक्चर अवॉइड कर रहे हो जो आपके लिए सच में बना है, वहाँ पे आप पहुँच नहीं रहे हो. अगर आपके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है ना वर्क में कि आप कुछ करना चाह रहे हो पर आप बहुत टाइम से वो चीज़ अवॉइड करो जो भी आप करना चाह रहे हो, और साथ के साथ जो आप करंट वर्क में हो वहाँ पे आपको एक्सप्लॉयटेटिव फील हो रहा है कि आप एनर्जी दे रहे हो पर सामने से आपको रिटर्न्स उतने अच्छे नहीं मिल रहे हैं. अगर ऐसा है लियो, then this is time to realize that your big ideas are not just big ideas, they are also necessity. आपको you cannot be overly emotional about work situation. Something is calling you to be practical, something is calling you to be more grounded and do things for yourself. जो ये giving energy आपका अभी है ही, आपको give तो करना ही पड़ेगा. अब आप अपने वर्क में करो या किसी और के वर्क में करो, giving energy तो है ही. So if you're feeling like you need to risk, build on that. वर्क में आपसे एनर्जी आपकी तरफ से इस वक्त जानी है, आपकी तरफ से जाएगी दूसरी तरफ. सो मेक श्योर वट यू कैन मेक श्योर कि वो दूसरी साइड भी है आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट हो, ना कि आपका अनपेड लेबर हो. एंड लेट्स सी इन योर रिलेशनशिप. द कार्ड दैट इज शोइंग अप इज द थ्री ऑफ wands. Maybe you're waiting for some relationship situation to, again there can be some delays, unexpected delays in opportunity for relationship, or there is distance, long distance. But this is about solar plexus. Either you guys are having some kind of fight. You can be connecting with an Aries person, fiery person over here. So some kind of ego clash can be happening. And if it is time, it's not forever. It is good. Three of Wands in relationship, I at least consider it as a good card because this makes you aware of the available opportunities. It makes you aware of the potential that you have. If something is not working out, you right now have time to see why it's not working out, because I see that you have potential and the other side has to take actions for you to for them to prove that they are worth it. Whatever you can do for you or whatever you are doing for them is worth it. And you also need love in some way, Leo. I'm seeing that you need to feel loved, and I think right now the best way to receive love is mother. So maybe your physical mother or cosmic mother, you need to call upon mother energy to feel loved. Maybe there is no one physically around you to love you or to make you feel that way, but you deserve it. You deserve to feel loved. You deserve to feel, and if somebody is not giving you that commitment, then maybe time is telling you to move towards something more that respects you, that is for you out there. कोई भी डिले इस वक्त अगर चल रहे हैं सब आपके फेवर में एनर्जी आपको ये बता रही है रिजेक्शन इज रीडायरेक्शन. अगर कहीं पे आपको लाइफ में रिजेक्टेड फील हो रहा है, इट इज़ रीडायरेक्टिंग यू टुवर्ड्स समथिंग जहाँ पे आप अपने लिए सोचो, आप अपने को प्रायोरिटाइज करो लियो. So let's see the after the love situation, relationship situation, you will regain foresight in this relationship matter in some time, and though it is taking a lot of your focus, whatever it is, but it's taking a lot of your focus. You must stay committed to your path and work beyond your comfort zone. It's time to think big. That is something I can tell you. Okay, moving on. The card for health. The Temperance. Health is good. Health is balanced. There is balance, and if there is imbalance, you're being called to, have some balance of physical and emotional world. Yeah, you have found your inner peace and have a good perspective on things, and it signs that relationship on your life are also harmonious. So maybe other people in your life are not taking care of themselves as good as you do, Leo, and that is why you are not, आपके उनके तालमेल नहीं बैठ रहा है, क्योंकि आप जिस तरीके से जीते हो, आप जिस तरीके से सब चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हो, बैलेंस बना के चलते हो, वो चीज़ सामने वाला नहीं कर रहा है. So let's see what is your overall energy. Four of Cups. So you're feeling like emotionally like मैं इतना कर रही हूँ, सामने से तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा. So you may be feeling a bit emotionally disappointed, and which is very valid. So what you should focus on? Magician, this is what it is. So this is like you have all the skills and abilities required for you to change your life. It is going to change. Infinite possibilities are there. So but you have to give it your power. You have to put in अभी अगर आपके साथ कुछ भी चल रहा है, drop it, let it go, like relax into yourself, relax into that magician self of yours, जहाँ पे आप that you can create anything out of anything, that you are the magician of your life. You have come so far and you will go further. So अपने ऊपर भरोसा लाने वाली बात है, अपने ऊपर ही डिपेंड करने वाली बात है अपने लिए. So energy, you're full with energy, you're overflowing with energy. That is why other people are gathering around you who need your energy because they don't have that. You also need to fill your cup, and you are being guided here with the Magician card to fill your cup by yourself, by you yourself, like all this intellect, all the concentration, all the willpowers to make things happen. Apply it for yourself instead of applying it for other people's life. Apply it for yourself, and that way you will be able to guide this fire that burns in you. The initiation, rite of passage, crossing the threshold. This is your oracle card. It does not show here, but this means something you're already doing it, something about, and all these things which are making you feel emotionally you may be refusing emotional offers, is a sign that you need an initiation somewhere else. You need to cross this threshold and move towards something that is built for you. Being selfish, focusing on yourself. Leo, somewhere you are being awakened. आपको ऐसा बताया जा रहा है कि आपके पास बहुत सारी पॉसिबिलिटी है, बहुत सारी आपकी अवेकनिंग होना आपकी ज़रूरी है कि आप अपने ही जो अच्छी चीज़ें, आपकी जो विल पावर है उसको आप अपने लिए अप्लाई कर पाओ. जो चेंज आप लेकर के आना चाहते हो वर्ल्ड में, पहले अपने लिए लेकर के आओ. और ये चीज़ को थोड़ा दुख के साथ, थोड़ा सा ना डिटैचमेंट के साथ, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के साथ लाइफ आपको सिखा रही है. थोड़ी सी टफनेस है यहाँ पे लाइफ की, लेकिन वो आपके फेवर में, क्योंकि यही चीज़ आपको जो है स्ट्रॉन्ग बना रही है, आपकी विल पावर को निखार के लेकर आ रही है, आपकी एनर्जी को डायरेक्ट कर रही है. सो लियो, यहाँ पे जिस भी तरीके का स्ट्रगल आप गो थ्रू कर रहे हो, ये आपकी पावर ऑफ और इंटेंशन का टेस्ट है. और आप अपने लिए जब सोचना शुरू कर दोगे, जब आप ऐसे एक्शंस लोगे जो आपके लिए, आप और अपनी टाइम जो है सिर्फ औरों पर बर्बाद नहीं कर रहे हो. अगर औरों को अगर आपको अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं करे तो आप बाउंड्रीज क्रिएट कर रहे हो. उस वे में आप अपनी एनर्जी अपने लिए बचाओगे. और जब आप का अटेंशन अपने ऊपर होगा तो आपको किसी और का अटेंशन नहीं चाहिए होगा. और जब किसी और का अटेंशन आपको नहीं चाहिए होगा तो आप उन चीज़ों को प्रायोरिटाइज करोगे कि मुझे मेरी लाइफ से क्या चाहिए. तो समवेयर लाइफ इज़ लाइक टीचिंग यू सम काइंड ऑफ डिटैचमेंट एंड फोकस योर विल पावर ऑन योर सेल्फ एंड forget everybody else कि और लोगों को क्या लगेगा. It's time to be blunt, lovingly blunt. be lovingly blunt. If you love someone, be blunt with them. Tell them what you actually feel. If you want love to manifest in your life, you have to be blunt right now. You have to put yourself out there in a way that helps your case, helps you to build a life that you would like. क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप इस वक्त गाइडिंग फोर्स हो विद दिस टेम्परेंस एज द सेंटर ऑफ योर रीडिंग. मे बी यू आर द गाइडिंग फोर्स इन अदर पीपल्स लाइफ. आप अपनी लाइफ में जो आपके लोग हैं, आप उनके लिए गाइडिंग फोर्स हो, तो आपको गाइड करना पड़ेगा इस वक्त भी हो. सो आप उस चीज़ से बच नहीं सकते. उसके लिए आपको ब्लंट होना पड़ेगा. गाइडेंस हमेशा ब्लंट लोग कर पाते हैं. सो this is your overall message, Leo. If this resonates, leave a like or a comment. You can also check other readings on this channel for more such readings, and I'll catch you in some other reading. Bye for now.